Ooh, great bottle pop. Doc Martinez here, and today is a very, very special day. It is George Washington's birthday. And it also happens to be mine. So I wanted to make a very special old fashioned. I'm gonna make an old fashioned that I'm calling Happy Birthday to Me. I'm gonna do what some people might consider crazy. I'm gonna make an old fashioned cocktail using Old Forester 2022 birthday bourbon. I figured it's my birthday and I can I can make an old fashioned if I want to. This date also marks 1 year of me posting my first video on YouTube, making it my 1 year anniversary for my YouTube channel. It has come a long way and is very, very different from the start. I'm gonna post my first video right here, so you can all go check it out and get a great big laugh. Cocktail quiz time. What is President's Day and why do we celebrate it? I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate my birthday than by using a bourbon called birthday bourbon. You might also be wondering, why did I name this drink Happy Birthday to Me? It is because one of my favorite tattoos is one my wife has. It's a tattoo of a president that says, "To me, from me." Now, if you know my wife, you would know that is a perfect tattoo for her. For my birthday wish, I wish that you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and leave a comment below. Leave a comment on, do you have a tattoo, and describe it. Or if you're planning to get a tattoo, what would you get? Now, enough of the jibber jabber. Let's start making a Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned. Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned ingredients. 2.2 ounces Old Forester 2022 birthday bourbon, 1 sugar cube, 2 dashes of Old Forester Bohemian bitters, and 1 edible candle. All right, we're gonna start making the Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned. Before we start, I want you to see this candle on top. So what it is an edible chocolate candle. Now, I did buy these on Amazon and have them shipped to me. Unfortunately, the valley is always very hot, even at this time of year, so they all melted on me before they even got here. The funny thing is, on the label it says, light and eat, won't melt. Well, it says won't melt, but I guess it does. So now, let's start making the Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned. So what we're gonna do is add 1 sugar cube into the glass. Then we're gonna add 2 dashes of the Old Forester Bohemian bitters. We're gonna add this directly onto the sugar. I wanna soak the sugar so that I can then muddle it. I'm gonna get the muddler and I'm gonna muddle this into a little paste. So now I'm gonna add 2.2 ounces of the Old Forester birthday bourbon, and this is the 2022 edition. Ooh, great bottle pop. So I haven't tried this yet, but ooh, that smells amazing. Now I'm just gonna give it a little stir. Now I'm gonna add a large ice to this. And I'm gonna stir it a little bit more. The glass was already chilled before, so the glass is already nice and cool. So now I'm gonna light the candle. So there you have it, the Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned. The candle doesn't want to stay on too well, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and blow that out. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Cocktail quiz time. What is President's Day and why do we celebrate it? Answer. Originally established as a national holiday in 1885 in recognition of the birthday of President George Washington. However, now it is popularly viewed as a day to celebrate all US presidents, both past and present. So let's go ahead and give Happy Birthday to Me Old Fashioned a try. So it is only 96 proof, but it does taste a little bit stronger than that. On the first taste, it does coat your tongue. I do taste a lot of alcohol for it, even though it's 96 proof, but I didn't drink anything before this, so I didn't coat my tongue before to prep for this. On the second taste, when I got to taste it, it has a nice flavor that covers the mouth, very well balanced. I never used the Bohemian bitters, especially this Old Forester one, and I like it. It adds a little bit of spice. So since I did not taste this before, I'm assuming the spice comes from this, but it could also be from this as well. I will be tasting this a little bit later to see what this tastes like by itself, maybe even doing a review on it. Let me know if you'd like me to do a review on this Old Forester Birthday Edition 2022. Another thing I wanted to mention, every time I go in to take a drink, I actually smell the chocolate, I guess because I melted it a little bit, but I do get that chocolate in my nose, but not in the taste because there's not chocolate in the drink. But overall, as a birthday present to myself, I think this one's well deserved. It is very good. And now I think I'm gonna go finish this one up and then actually enjoy a pour of this for myself. So I just wanted to do a quick update really quickly. As you can tell, I'm pretty much finished this. And the good thing about it is that sugar that stayed on the bottom actually got sweeter as I kept drinking it. So the more I drank, the sweeter it got even better and better every sip. So once again, great drink, gotta give it a try. I recommend if you have the opportunity to give it a try. Thank you once again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. This one's very special to me for many reasons. One being my birthday, two being the 1-year anniversary of the first time I posted on YouTube. I would like to thank you again and for everybody who supported me on my journey. I really appreciate it. I made a lot of friends along the way, and this has been a fun journey for me. I plan to continue doing this until I hit at least 1,000 different old fashions, and this is number 51, so I still got a long way to go. So cheers and see you on that next video.